I am a maths teacher. I have been teaching mathematics for over 35 years now and have an absolute love for my subject. The most common question that pops up in a classroom is, why don't you teach us the same things that you're going to ask us in the test and exam? Why do you just teach us what's in the textbook? And the whole point of learning mathematics is that you've got to learn the basics. You've got to understand the concepts before you can write tests and exams. The tests and exams are about examining whether you understand the concepts and whether you can apply them. And so what I thought I would do here is I would start making videos on topics for grade 11s and 12s that would really help you to get to grips with the kind of questions that you're going to get in tests and exams, and to help you as to how to approach those questions, to ask yourself the right questions before you leap into answering, or before you just give up and say, well, that's nothing like I saw in the textbook. So that's the plan over here. Nothing fancy. I'm not going to use all kinds of fancy technology. I'm really just about helping you to tackle and approach those annoying and seemingly impossible questions. Just remember that when an examiner sets what we call a level 3 or a level 4 question, the examiner is not out to catch you. What the examiner is going to do, the higher the level of the question, the more the examiner is going to stick to the concept. The more the examiner is going to say, do you know your rules? Do you know how to apply your rules? And can you take those rules and move them out of the normal question into a slightly unusual question? So you're going to have to take a little bit of a leap of faith in the first step. But as you work, you're going to see, the examiner is actually just coming back to the rules that I was taught in the textbook. Okay, so that's my introduction. You're never normally going to see my face this close up. This is just so that you know who I am. PhiloMath is the name that I like to use when I'm teaching maths. Philo meaning the love of learning, and it's the love of learning maths. So watch the space for topic videos. The first ones I'm going to tackle are two of the ones that caused lots of drama at the beginning of the year in grade 11 and grade 12. So we'll see what those topics bring up for you. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy your problem solving, and I'll see you again soon.